Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Not a Lamp. I am Chandan Kumar and I am here with some interesting facts and topics of English which you did not know before. So please watch this full video. Let's start the topics. Here's the question.
Now, the first question is, what is English? We are taught in a school that English is a subject, but it is wrong. English is a language and it is the national language of many countries. Now, the next question is, when English is originated? The history of English language really started with the arrival of three Germanic tribes who invaded Britain during the 5th century. These tribes were the Angles, the Saxons and the Jutes, crossed the North Sea from what today is Denmark and northern Germany. Now the next question is, what are different varieties of the English language? There are various English language dialects from around the world. There are few of them: British English, American English, Indian English, Australian English, Canadian English, Philippine English, and many more. Next question is, when English language publicly began in India? English language publicly began in India in the 1830s during the rule of East India Company. And friends, there is a notable point here. In 1835, English replaced Persian as the official language of the East India Company. Next question is, when English education started in India? English education started in India from 7th March 1835 by Thomas Babington Macaulay. Next question is, why English is important? Learning English is important for socializing and entertainment as well as work. It also increases your chances of getting a job in a multinational companies. It's also the language of international communication. Now, I will give you some tips that how you can improve your English. 7 tips you can apply to improve your English. First is, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be confident. Second is, surround yourself in English. Third is, practice every day. Fourth is, tell your family and friends about your study plan. Fifth is, practice 4 core skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Keep a notebook of new words you learn. Seventh is, do a lesson at least once a day.
Thanks for watching. हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल नोटिफिकेशन प्रेस कीजिए ताकि हमारे वीडियोस की इंस्टेंट नोटिफिकेशन मिले। और हाँ दोस्तों, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन कीजिए। व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, क्लिक कीजिए, ज्वाइन कीजिए। थैंक यू गाइज, सपोर्ट अस, सपोर्ट आवर चैनल।